Everybody here is mixing on camera, and I have a foreign one. She's Zubeda, the only woman who was in the rally, I think.
We were two.
You were two, but from Uganda all?
One Uganda, one, and Burundi, one.
Oh, well. How did you see Burundi since you arrived there, and till you have finished the competition of Rallye and come to Bujumbura? I want to you explain yourself. How did you see Burundi since you arrived till now? You didn't yet leave the country. How did you see the country?
Hi everyone. I'm from Kampala, Uganda, and we came here as a crew to participate in an ARC event, which was a very prestigious and memorable event. It is not an event I think I'll ever forget in my life. I've done several events, but this particular one was a very memorable one. Everything was special from the start to the end. The organization was excellent. The people, the marshals were very helpful and very nice. Much as we had a language issue, we would have like issues with language here and there to talk to each other, but everyone was friendly.
After the competition, you moved Ngozi to Bujumbura. How did you get there?
Ngozi, I think Ngozi is my city. Ngozi has beautiful weather.
It was only the first time to come there?
Yes, it was my first time to come to Ngozi. I've been to Gitega and I've been to Gisagara, but I'd never been to Ngozi and I'd never been to Bujumbura. So
it's the first time here?
Yes, it is my first time in Bujumbura. And Ngozi had very beautiful weather, but then it was very different when we entered Bujumbura. Bujumbura is very hot. It came from 31 degrees at 11 a.m. to 37 degrees at 2 p.m. That was extremely hot, and it prompted us to go to the lake. And at the lake Tanganyika.
You go to the Tanganyika lake?
Yes, we went to Lake Tanganyika, where we had the popular omukeke fish, and it was amazing, I can say. And I also tried the local goat soup, which was good. So I can say Burundi has food, unlike a few places that we've been to in East Africa, where it's really hard to eat food. It's hard to eat food in Tanzania. But Burundi has lots of food. We also went to Kayanza, and I went to Matongo. I also went to Bugarama.
Did you pass Bugarama yet?
Yes. I've been to all those places. After the rally, I had to explore all these towns. They are beautiful towns, and there's lots and lots of food.
Bugarama even? Yeah,
Bugarama has lots of food. Lots of onions, oranges, bananas. Burundi has a lot of food.
What did you like at Burundi?
Burundi or Bujumbura?
Yeah.
Where exactly?
Especially Bujumbura.
I've toured Bujumbura today. I've been to Bujumbura, and it's...
Have you got time to move around?
Yes. I've seen the... I'm very interested in governmental bodies. So firstly, I had to see where the Ministry of Finance is located, where the GPP sits, public prosecution. I've been to all that. We've toured all those places today. We saw the park. You have a zoo here with animals. I went there today. I also went to downtown. We were searching for a few things. I've also gone to the bus park. I've also gone to all the places I think around town. I've gone to the airport road. I've gone to the road that goes to the State House. Right now we are in Kiliri.
Garden.
It's where we are at the Kiliri Gardens finally. And I've been to so many places today. I don't know if there's some I've skipped, but I've been to lots of places. I've been to the industrial town, where the depots of the petrol stations are located. I went there today. We also visited, what else is popular here? We visited quite a number of places.
You pretend to leave the town when?
I think Friday.
Or this
so
week?
Tomorrow we will see more places in town.
Yeah? Bujumbura?
Yes, tomorrow we'll still be moving around.
Do you pretend to visit other provinces or you?
Which other provinces? Because I've visited Ngozi, Kayanza, Matongo, Bugarama, and Bujumbura.
Gitega? Not yet.
I think the video is off. Is it off?
Yeah, no.
Gitega is Gitega. I haven't been to Gitega, but they're saying Gitega is the second biggest town in Bujumbura. Then then Burundi, then Ngozi comes third. But they said we have a rally in November.
Oh, you will come again?
I think so.
Yes.
The rally is happening in Gitega, and it's happening in November. We're talking to a few sponsors here and there to see if there's a possibility of sponsoring our team to come and race here again in November.
Burundi become your country?
Yes.
I will come again.
Thank you.
Thank you.